how to list your property on Vrbo. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can list your property on Vrbo. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up any browser on your computer or mobile and go to vrbo.com. Over here, make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be redirected to the home page. After that, click on profile icon and then click on list your property and you will be taken to the listing page. Then provide basic information about your property, such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and click on next at the bottom. On the next page, enter your address and unit number if applicable. After that, click on next again. Then VRBO will provide an estimate based on your details and similar properties. If you want to proceed, click on next. After that, you will be asked to complete phone verification and upload property images. Just follow the on-screen steps to finalize your listing. So that's how you can list your property on VRBO. That's all for this video.